Welcome to today's session on managing to your financial reports. Here at BKE, we know running your business is about making decisions to drive success. We also know that the numbers in your financial reports can act like an extra management team, helping you to make impactful decisions at the right times. In this session, we're going to break down the income statement, what it can tell you, and some important questions you can ask when you look at your own reporting. Income will always be shown at the top of this report. This section will include how much money you've made as well as totals for discounts and refunds throughout the month. Cost of goods sold will be shown under income. These are expenses directly related to what you sell. This will include job supplies and labor for completing work. Gross profit is a simple calculation showing how much income is left over after you subtract cost of goods sold. Overhead expenses appear after cost of goods sold. These are expenses related to managing the business, like insurance and rent. Net income always appears at the bottom of the income statement. This is the calculation showing how much money you made or lost after all of your expenses have been subtracted out. The first step in managing to your income statement is to analyze your costs. Consider the business decisions you make that go into each expense category. When you look at your cost of goods sold, think about whether you are getting the best rates from your suppliers. Remember that partnerships and referrals can lead to better pricing. When you look at your labor costs, think about whether you are experiencing employee turnover. Higher turnover could be caused by less than competitive pay rates and can cost you more in training time. Lower turnover could be related to hyper-competitive pay rates, and you may be able to bring in new staff members at lower rates. When you look at your overhead expenses, think about whether it's time to negotiate new rates for annual contracts, like insurance, cell phones, or internet service. Many business owners take overhead expenses for granted as fixed cost. But if income is down, asking cost reduction questions at the right times can help reduce overhead expenses and drop more money to your net income. The second step in managing to your income statement is to understand your income. The most important questions you ask in this category will be specific to your industry and business model. If you run a discount program, will it attract new customers? Will you make more money if you attract new customers or if you upsell current? How many refunds were issued, and does it indicate a quality problem? Are there some types of marketing that bring more leads to your business than others? Should you add a cost specifically geared toward bringing in more business, like a referral program or adding a salesperson to your team? Understanding your income and sometimes even adding expenses at the right time can help drive more money to your net income. The third step in managing to your financial reports is to control your cash. To do this, we need to introduce a new report called the balance sheet. The top section of this report will show your business assets, including cash balances and receivables owed to you by your customers. In the middle section, liabilities will show how much money you owe to other people, including loans and credit cards. It's very common in the early stages of a small business to spend more than you make as you build. This means your cash balance is likely going down each month. If your accounts receivable is growing, should you consider hiring someone to collect customer balances? You may consider offering a discount program for customers who pay up front. You may also want to pursue a credit line with your suppliers or a bank loan. In summary, managing to your financial reports can be done in 3 simple steps. Step 1, analyze your costs. Step 2, understand your income. Step 3, control your cash. Thank you for watching our session on managing to your financial reports. We hope you found this information to be helpful. If you have any questions, or if you're ready to spend more time managing your business than managing your books, give us a call. We can't wait to hear from you.